guys! So before we get started, I just quickly wanted to say thank you to all of you who leave such thoughtful comments. I really do appreciate it. I also wanted to wish everyone, those who celebrate, a very happy Easter. I hope you all have a wonderful time with your family and friends. That said, let's get on to
So these little baskets here with some accessories from other tutorials. As always, kids, if you make this craft, I do want to see it. Please tag me so I can, either on Instagram or Facebook. And kids, do be sure and ask a parent for help before starting this craft. Okay guys, for the eggs, just using air dry clay. By the way, fellow crafter Mini DIY also did an Easter basket a few days ago, and you guys should totally go check it out. I will link to his video in the description. I give it a day or two to dry and paint. Alternatively, you can use Play-Doh, but as it dries, it often shrinks and cracks, so do keep that in mind. But if you make enough, you're bound to have a couple of good ones. And the basket is of course made from craft foam because I'm obsessed with craft foam. I'm using a thicker piece of craft foam for the base, just gently tracing out an oval, then just using some more green craft foam, this one's not quite as thick, and scoring lines for detail. I glue together. And paint with clear nail polish. Then gluing a bit of ribbon around the top. And more craft foam for the handle, as well as a craft foam bow for detail. And to make the chocolate bunny, I'm using thick brown craft foam. Using clear nail polish to complete. And for the little paper that's inside of a basket, I'm just coloring some paper with a marker and trimming very thin strips. I add my eggs. I cut ribbed loom bands to make jelly beans. And fill the rest of my basket with accessories from other tutorials. I do have a website where I place all of my printables, so I will link to that in the description section. So just adding some accessories you might find in an Easter basket. You guys can let me know in the comments if you get anything like this in yours. Guys, you are so totally good to go. Well guys, I sure hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks guys!